tool do we use to tell time?
A clock.
Remember to raise your hand next time. But yes, a clock like this. Yes. Is this the only way that clocks look? Yes, ma'am.
No.
No, what else, how else do clocks look?
The digital clock.
There are digital clocks. What do digital clocks look like? Do they have these right here on them?
No.
Do they have all the numbers on them?
No.
No?
Not at the same time.
Not at the same time. They only show one number at a time. That's right. Today we're going to focus on an analog clock. Can you say analog?
Analog.
One more time. Analog.
Analog.
Very good. An analog clock is a clock that you have to tell the time. You have to use your brain to tell the time. It doesn't just show it to you. You have to know that these hands mean different things, and the hands move around the clock like this. This is called clockwise. Can you say clockwise?
Clockwise.
Very good. Clockwise goes to the right. I want everybody to go like this. Clockwise. Clockwise. Say it again. Clockwise. Very good. Okay. Now, our goal today, let's look at our success criteria here. I can tell time to the hour on an analog clock. Can you read that to me, please?
I can tell the time to the hour on an analog clock.
Very good. So what does that mean that we're going to focus on today? What are we going to try to learn today?
How to tell the time.
Okay. Should you be able to tell the time on a digital clock today? No, because we're focusing on the analog clock today. That's right. So in order to be successful today, you need to be able to tell me the time on the analog clock, okay? All right. So we are going to start by talking about the analog clock. Now, does an analog clock, what shape is this? Yes.
A circle.
A circle. Does it have to be a circle? What if I had a big rectangle? Could I make a clock on a big rectangle? It would depend, huh? My numbers would probably still need to be in a circle though, wouldn't they? Yes. So, are all clocks this pretty gray color right here? No. What about a pink clock? Can we have a pink clock? Purple clock. Blue clock. Black clock. White clock. Clear clock. Wait, how would you tell the time if it was a clear clock? Oh, I tricked you. Okay, so on an analog clock, remember the analog means that the hands go around and around in clockwise. Say clockwise again. Clockwise. Very good. It has these two hands here, okay? Each of these hands means something different. You see this short hand here? This short hand is the hour hand. An hour has 60 minutes, so this long hand here is the minute hand, okay? The minute hand moves pretty steadily around the clock, but the hour hand moves so slowly because an hour is a long time, right? So it moves slowly around the clock, okay? So let's practice with our hour and minute hand, okay? I'm going to show you something and you're going to repeat it with me, okay? An hour is long, so the hand is short. Can you do that? Say, an hour is long, so the hand is short. Again, an hour is long, the hand is short. Very good. Now, a minute goes by pretty fast, doesn't it? Yeah? So a minute is short. So the hand is long. Can you do that for me? A minute is short, so the hand is long. Good job. An hour is long, so the hand is short. Very good. That's how we're going to help remember which hand is which, because it can get confusing sometimes. Okay, so tell me what else you notice about my clock. Yes. It does have dots. Very good. And those dots represent each minute. What about these numbers here? What do you think these numbers represent?
Hours.
Maybe they could represent the hours. What do we notice about the numbers? Do they go in all kinds of different crazy orders? No, they go in order, don't they? They start here at 12, and then 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Very good. So let me turn the hands here. Wait, which way do the hands go? Do the hands go this way? No, they always go this way, which is, what's that word? Clockwise. Very good. So if the minute hand is pointed at the 12, that means that the time is o'clock. Can you say o'clock?
O'clock.
Very good. And then the hour hand, it's underneath the minute hand. It's pointing at the 12 right now. So that means that it is 12 o'clock. Can you say that?
12 o'clock.
Very good. Let's write 12 o'clock. Okay? We can write it 2 different ways. There we go. We can write it like this, and we can write it like this. This is how it looks when it's in the digital form. On a digital clock, it would look like this, wouldn't it? And this is how it would look if we were writing it out, say, in a sentence, okay? So when I point to it, you're going to read it to me. Are you ready?
12 o'clock.
Very good.
12 o'clock.
Wait, are these the same thing? Yes, very good. So what do these numbers back here mean?
The minute.
Yes, if these are the hours, then these are the minutes. And when it's o'clock or on the hour, then there's 0 minutes past the hour. Very good. Okay, now we're going to practice, okay? I'm going to move the minute hand, and we're going to call the time, okay? If it's here, what time is it? If it's here, what time is it? What time does the clock say?
2:06.
2:06. Nope, that's the second hand. I'm sorry, I don't have a clock that doesn't have a second hand. Don't let it confuse you. The second hand is super skinny. We're going to ignore it. It doesn't exist, okay?
Okay.
Can you look at the minute hand? What does the minute hand tell us?
That it's 12 o'clock.
The minute hand tells us o'clock, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what does the hour hand tell us?
That it's 12.
That it's 12. So altogether it is
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Very good. Let's turn it. And when we turn it, it's going to go clockwise. You see how it's moving around? Wait a minute. It went all the way around. What does that mean? What do you think that means? How much time has passed if the minute hand goes all the way around?
That it's been an hour.
An hour. Very good. So 1 hour has passed. So we started at 12 o'clock. What time does it say now?
That it's 1 o'clock.
That it's 1 o'clock. Very good. Let's try some again. And what time is it now?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Very good. We're going to take it around one more time. How many minutes are we moving? How many minutes are in an hour?
60.
60. Very good. What time is it now?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Very good. Let's do it again. Time.
4
Whoop.
o'clock.
Sorry, moved it just a little too far. There you go. 4 o'clock. Very good. I see that you saw that it had gotten just moved just a little bit too much. Good thinking.
5 o'clock.
Again.
6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock.
Did I do it right?
No.
What did I do wrong?
You went counterclockwise.
I went counterclockwise. I went backwards. You're right. So we were at 10 o'clock. Now we are at,
11 o'clock.
very good. And now we are
At 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Very good. All right. Now we're going to do some practice by ourselves.